Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 5 SST second class and the chapter is the Stone Age. Okay. Today we will learn about Stone Age. Before to start this topic, I would like to discuss about the evaluation. What is evaluation? Few things as I sort it out, then I got few new things we have to learn. We all know about what is evaluation. Evaluation means the gradual development. Gradually, when we develop, like from the very beginning to today, that is the evaluation. So human being first appeared before 2 lakhs years ago. Okay, before 2 lakhs years ago, human beings first appeared. And before human being, who were they? Who were present on the earth? Before human beings, they were hominids. Who were present on the earth? Who lived on the earth? That is hominids. Okay, and that hominids also subdivided into two divisions. That hominids also subdivided into two divisions. Who are they? Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Again I am repeating, who are they? Homo habilis and Homo erectus. These two were the subdivided from hominids. Okay, these who were these Homo habilis? They were small. Generally they used the stone tools. Okay, first they started to use the stone tool, and from that we got that terms Stone Age and all these. They first used the stone tools. Who were Homo erectus? Then gradually for about like then even I first told that evaluation means gradual development. Now gradually we developed from Homo habilis to we developed to Homo erectus. Homo habilis, the smaller one, used stones, and now Homo erectus. Who were they? They are the upright men. Homo habilis, they were like short heighted and they bent themselves. They do like they don't know to stand straight and all these. Then gradually our physical changes also took place, and Homo erectus were the upright persons. Okay, who were the Homo erectus? They evaluations, due to evaluation, Homo habilis then turned to Homo. The next generation is not turned after Homo habilis. We get Homo erectus, the upright man. For about how many days they survived? For about 10 lakhs years ago. For how many days? For about how many days? Before 10 lakhs years ago they survived. Okay, from today before 10 lakhs years ago they survived. Now the most important thing, next who came on the earth? Homo sapiens, that are we are known, our scientific name is Homo sapiens. Okay, what is the specialty of Homo sapiens? Yes, I know, you all know that we can think. We have that logical ability to think anything. So thinking persons. Now when these Homo sapiens appeared on the earth, few things. The first, what was the first importance, or what is the first, that time if we will think, we are thinking about that time, then we will get few points. First of all, that time they first hunt for food. And what was their first aim? Hunting. For what they are hunting? For food, because they were gathering the food. Okay, and they were when wandering around, so they gathered the food, they hunt the food, and what they did, they used the tools. They used the tools. Second, what thing? Usefulness of fire. They knew the usefulness of fire. Not they knew, they learned the usefulness of fire. What is the usefulness of fire? They knew that also. Okay, they learned that also, not knew, they learned that. Gradually they learned the usefulness of fire. They first they for that that time it was quite cold. When that protect themselves from the cold, they sat, they used the fire to warm them up. Then gradually they start to cook food. All these things they gradually learned. Gradually they learned. Next, what is the main importance now if we come to Stone Age? The first era, the Stone Age means that time people used the tools. Okay, people generally used the tools. What they are doing for protecting themselves or for like for any kind of purpose. They knew that people generally, as we all know, that to protect from the wild animals, to protect from the any kind of danger, they used the tools. So this much first. For this class, again I recapitulate one more thing. What is evaluation? Gradual development. Second point, what today I told, human beings first appeared before 2 lakhs years ago. Better you jot down all these points. Sit along with your copy. Whatever I am telling, just according to the point you note it. I know everything is in your book, but still for your recapitulation or for your betterment, note down these points. Third thing, before human beings, who lived on the earth? Hominids. Who lived? Hominins. Okay, they were subdivided into two divisions: Homo habilis, Homo erectus. Who were Homo habilis? Small. They used the small tools. They were like first time on the earth they appeared. They were not so much of developed. Then again Homo erectus. Who were they? They um, they survived on the earth before 10 lakhs years ago. They survived on the earth. They were quite better rather than the Homo habilis. They were the upright persons. Now the third one, who? Homo sapiens. We thinking persons. We have the logical idea to think anything. And what was our first team? Hunting. For what? For food. And second team, usefulness of fire. So learned up to this. Next class we will discuss the more. And now learned all these things, jot down. Next class we will learn next topic. Stay tuned. Bye bye.